My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the browser notifications that come from the site notiftravel.com. Notiftravel.com is a deceptive site. It now attacks Google Chrome and other browsers too. The website notiftravel.com tries to make you click on this allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. However, it's a mistake. It's a mistake to click on allow. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked and infected. You will start receiving the great portion of advertisements that will keep popping up in the right part of your computer screen. So if you have clicked on allow, it was definitely a very serious mistake and it needs to be urgently fixed. Access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, then Site Settings, go down to Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find any junk sites here, you should undertake the measures and get rid of them. Finally, I recommend that you additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.